Lotsho nomthwakazo omuhle selamukela njalo kwesinye isiqephu sethu sezindaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio namhla kungoLwesihlanu zilishumi kuMabasa ngomnyaka ka-2026. Indaba lizethulelwa ngikhethiwe Chuma. Yesikhangele kwesihamba phambili namhlanje kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio. UChibaya uthi abantu kabamanyane balwisani lebandla leZANU-PF. UMahiya uhlabelela ukudla kwakhe kusho uDube Sibanda. Ohlatshwayo ukhala ngokuswelakala kokuxhumana kwezobulembu emaphandleni asemngceleni yelizwe. Nanzi indaba zethu ngokugcweleyo. Umqoqi wezakhamizi umhlonishwa u-Amos Chibaya usejele izizalwane zaseZimbabwe ukuba zimanyane ukuze zilwisane lecebo lebandla leZANU-PF lokufuqa ukujintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu. Umhlonishwa uChibaya wenze inkulumo le ngesikhathi esemngcwabeni lapho bekubekwa umlandeli omkhulu kaMongameli uChamisa uGogo uNyamande, lapho ekhulume ngoGogo uNyamande kanye lokuzinikela kwakhe ekuthandeni ukubona iZimbabwe ekhululekileyo njalo ithunganyelwa nguMongameli uChamisa. Uye wakhumbuza njalo abathungameli bebandla leZANU-PF ukuba umbuso uba khona okwesikhashana. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
Mazviwanda taura kuti yatina mate kana sina chechi cheri pasi pemutingo inda kuchechi kwese kunani kunamai vese varuya panapa ndosati rufu ndimakumba zvose rufu ndimavunganidze ndizvoka pamusoro our MP vasagandira our deputy mayor ndaona ari pano makansela ese ari pano vashandi vehurumende vandaona ari panapa mese tinokutendai Tavuya panapa amadzadiwa baba vachamisa vakatifundisa chinhu chinonzi rudo. Baba vachamisa vakatifundisa panochemewa chemai nevamwe, panofariwa farai nevamwe. Ndosaka tiri pano uye muri wakanyamanda mavona mega kuti aiwa hataingoda mai vedu chete vari pano panyika nyange vati aiwa nguva yangu yakwana chinongova chese ndosaka tiri pano. Zvavaida munozviziva vatakuremekeza zvikuru sei vafundisi vangu kuti mai vedu ava vachiita zvematengero enyika vaizvari kunani nochinhu chikuru ndava tiri pano panyika iswe naChibaya tozvinyepera tofunga panguti pamusoro pani paMwari kusvika pakuti ipo tiwoni state ndiye ndiripo wakudziona una uripo Mwari wakakusika kudza kusvika ipapo here gogo vari panapa vaidati munomunyika muone hurumende yejekerere vakati munomunyika muone hurumende yevanhu vakati munomunyika muone purezidendi wevanhu tiri tose here izvozvo iwayo masviko angu asi tiri mhosva tiri tose nyange makasangana vekwedu kwavachamisa nedzimwe hama dziri dziri panapa zivai kuti isu vekwavachamisa haisiri mhosva kuti aiwa imwe varipo imbobva ivo timbopindavo
Unobhala walabo abalwela inkululeko kubandla leZANU-PF uDouglas Mahiya usesolwe kakhulu njengomuntu ohlabelela ukudla kwakhe. Lokhu kuza ngemva kokuba yethule inkulumo izolo lapho ethe abalwela inkululeko bavumelana lokujintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu. Omunye wesiphathamandla njalo ngabathungamelayo kubandla eliphikisayo umhlonishwa uPrince Dube Sibanda uthi uMahiya uhlabelela ukudla kwakhe. Uye wangezelela ngokuthi abalwela inkululeko ngokweqiniso abavumelani lokujintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngoba kubisela inzuzo abayilwelayo ukuze bathole uzibuse le ethi umuntu oyedwa levoti lakhe elilodwa. Ake sizweni umhlonishwa uSibanda ekhuluma.
So uma hiya nxa ufuna ukuba mazi kahle ekhangela imbali yakhe uzathola ukuthi akayikhanyi ukuthi yena vele ungubani ovela ngaphi. Bonke abahamba empini abaphoyi kutsho kuphela ukuthi ngahamba empini, hayi bayakubalela ukuthi empini ngahlangana lalokhu lalokhuyana lalokhuyana lalokhuya. Lo akalambali eyaziwayo ngokulwa kwakhe kumbe ngokuba ngumlweli wempi yenkululeko. Ngomunye nje laye wafika wakwana lapho sokuthiwa khona kuyabhaliswa laye waba ngohlakaniphile wazithi lami ngili-oveti kodwa ungamkhangela akala any ideological background, akala lutho oluyilo esingaluthi yilo olumgayidayo ukuthi ulwela lokho. Ikubona ukuthi kulula ukuthi kungaba lobuya ethi nanku ukudla awuyagijima, kungaba lothi kuphela lapha is a man for hire, ngumuntu omele nje ukuthi anytime abafuna ukumbiza bangambiza ehambe esebenza usemsebenzini. Akalani ukuthi lokho kuyinto kuhle for ilizwe kumbe akukho kuhle for ilizwe, yena okwakhe solo ngetholile ukuthi namhla ngidla kobani. Ethole lapha adla khona yikho ahambe siyahlabela ekhona. So ke uma hiya yikho akwenzayo, kodwa ibhili labo leliyana hayi libi njalo liphikisiwe ngumuntu wonke, nguzulu wonke, naphakathina kwabo bayaphikisana. In fact lokhu okudlulileyo kathesa kade bekwenza yikho kutshengise sobala ukuthi hayi ngiyinto yabantu abalutshwana. Ngabantu abalutshwana bayabalwa abanikazi bento leyana sonto yelizwe, ngakho into yabo ayisoziphumelele.
Omela iChipinge South edalele ePhalamende umhlonishwa uClifford Hlatshwayo usekhale kakhulu ngokuswelakala kwamagagasi okuxhumana kanye lokuxhumana ebulenjini emaphandleni asemngceleni welizwe. Ekhuluma ePhalamende kuliviki, umhlonishwa uHlatshwayo uthi labo abasemaphandleni basebenzisa amagagasi okuxhumana angaphandle kwelizwe. Ake simzweni ekhuluma.
Ngashuma minister ngemphendula mapha ningakuthi la yemashoko inda yakati koshei kuti vanhu vaone kuti access nemashoko dambudziko ratiri kunyanya kuita ngekuti ndau dzatareketa idzi dziri kumabhodha neMozambique ende vanhu variyo vanobata network yekumozambique zvakanakisa. Yedu yemuno medini haibati. Mungane ichi zviga zvamareketa izvi zvingava nemazuva here kuti aiwa vanhu varikaita sevana vari kumabhodha kwana Chome kwatareketa network ichange yaayo mazuva akati kuti tazwa zvamareketa zvekuti mune program yamunayo ingava ine mazuva here kuti aiwa gore nerichipera tinenge tapedza program iyoyo vanhu vakubata network yemuzi mavo haikona network yekumozambique.
Olwela amalungelo ezifundi uThakunda Muka uye wancishwa isibambiso namhlanje ekuseni ngumantshi lapho athe ingozi sengabaleka. Umuka waboshwa enkambeni yeWaterfalls ngesikhathi esiyavula icala ngemva kokuhlukunyezwa izigelekeqe zebandla leZANU PF. Usaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana uMnyaradzi Masiyiwa uswele kakhulu ukuncishwa kwesibambiso kukaMuka lapho athe leli liqhinga lokuba ancishwe ukuthonisiswa okuqondileyo. Ake sizweni uMasiyiwa ekhuluma.
We are witnessing high level of miscarriage of justice in the case of Thakunda Muka, who was assaulted by youth aligned to ZANU-PF party in Waterfalls whilst he was carrying his duties at a local club where he works. So when he made a report at Waterfalls Police, Thakunda Muka unfortunately was called back by the police, citing that the youth whom he had reported had made a counter report to the effect that they were alleging that Takunda Muka had committed a crime of malicious damage to property. And from the 2nd of April up to today, the magistrate court was postponing the issue of bail hearing until today, when the magistrate denied Takunda bail. This is a serious miscarriage of justice. This is an example of how the state politicizes the judiciary system, which is quite unfortunate. You would realize that the case of Takunda Muka is now involving law and order division, which is quite unfortunate. We condemn that. We call upon the judiciary system to really try to be independent and try to look at cases as they are, rather than looking at who committed a crime. We call upon for the release of Takunda Muka without delay. Takunda Muka is very innocent, and today the court cited that Takunda Muka is a flight risk, which is quite unfortunate. Takunda Muka deserves to realize justice. It's unfortunate that when he was seeking justice, he became the victim of seeking justice. So this will not go down well with citizens in our communities. We realize that a lot of citizens do not report cases that implicate the youth from the ruling party, which is quite unfortunate, and we encourage that the courts must take serious consideration and release Takunda Muka and make sure that he enjoys the right to bail, the right to innocence until proven guilty.
Umsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio ukhuthaza izakhamizi ukuba ziqhubeke ngesibindi ekuvimbeni ukutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu, lapho sokulembiko yokuba ibandla leZANU-PF selilandelela bonke ababekhuluma bephikisa ukutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu ngesikhathi iPhalamende yehle ebantwini ukulalela imbono yabo. Omela iHarare South edalele ePhalamende engwebandla leZANU-PF uTongai Mnangagwa kubika ethumele izigelekeqe ukuba ziyevala ibhizinisi likasaziwayo kwezokuthengiselana u-Obed Masaraure njengendlela yokumjezisa yokuphikisana lokutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso. Kusenjalo ibandla eliphikisayo lithi liza kuqhubekela phambili ngempikisho ukuze kumiswe ukutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso. Siye saxoxisana lezakhamizi ukuba sizwe ukuba bangaphatheka na empikishweni eyokuvimba ukutshintshwa kwesisekelo sombuso ngokwehlandla lesithathu. Ake sizweni.
Good day, fellow citizens, comrades and friends of the struggle. It is indeed my sincere and passionate pleasure to encourage you all to rally behind our progressive opposition cadres in their various forms. The only reason we should all put aside our differences and unite in protest against the evil Cap 3 charade is because it affects all of us, including even those in ZANU-PF. It is very disheartening to note that a very few corrupted individuals and other misguided elements among us, all of us, are being used to ruin the future for our children and the grandchildren because of trinkets and freebies. There is no better opportunity to support every effort by our comrades and friends. Let's all join the protests and make it a success. We reject Cap 3 in totality.
Nyaya iri kutaurwa nema-opposition yekuda kuti vanhu vademonstrate kana kuti tive part of the parcel rekuti tidemonstrate munyika yeZimbabwe as a whole. Inyika idanho ratiri kutambira ratingati isisu sevagari vemuZimbabwe semaZimbabwenzi tiri kutoshaya mutungamiriri ane zvivingi zvokudedzera stay away to demonstrate zvatiri kuita tiri kuexercise zviri mubumbiro remutemo. We are not against the constitution, but we are saying we want to fall. Zimbabweans as a whole, we got our rights to demonstrate. If we are not happy about the policies of the government or the way government are leading us, we have to demonstrate to show that we are not happy as a people of Zimbabwe. So that one, we are not violating the law, but we are exercising our duties as Zimbabweans. So we are saying opposition, the whole opposition, let us meet and make a one statement so that people of Zimbabwe, they can demonstrate against the amendment constitution number 3. So vana vezimbabwe tiri kutoti muri kutinonokera maopposition, muri kutinonokera, nguva iri kufamba muchinonoka muchingoti tichazoti tiri kuda maopposition anobatana, vanhu vachidemonstrata, vanhu countrywide vachidemonstrata. We know kuti ZANU-PF ine maplans to recruiting ZANU-PF youth and to give them a uniform for ZRP so that they act like a ZRP, but no, they're not ZRPs. They're ZANU-PF for youth to beat people, those who, especially those who are supporting this demonstration. So we are saying we are sick and tired of this government. We are sick and tired of ZANU-PF government. We need to demonstrate as people of Zimbabwe. We need to show our rights. Each and every country in SADC or the whole world, therefore, the citizens of the country, therefore, their rights to demonstrate. If they are not happy about government or about leadership or about corruption, every citizens have got the rights to demonstrate. So kuti vanorowa vanhu izvozvo hatina basa nazvo kana kupfuura kana kuita sei. But chimwe chandida kuti ndiemphasize kumauto enyika yeZimbabwe ndochokuti criminal iri kuitwa muZimbabwe kana huori huri kuitwa muZimbabwe wadarika panguva yaMugabe, pakazobviswa Mugabe, iyi yapfiriridza nokuti vanhu vari kuba zviri kuonekwa nemasoja, vanhu vari kuba zviri kuonekwa nemapurisa, asi mapurisa nemasoja vakapeta maoko. But tiri kuti mapurisa kana makazviita pana Mugabe pasati papfiriridza nguva yekubiwa kuri kuitwa madiamonds, kubiwa kuri kuitwa mari mureserve bank, kubiwa kuri kuitwa maresources enyika, imimi makatarisa muri kuti kudii? Muri kuti zvasiyana inongoya pamakabvisa vaMugabe muchiti vaMugabe watenderedzwa nembavha, ko idzi mbavha dziri kutooneka, dziri kutobuda pachena kuti we are bribing police officers, we are bribing army, we are bribing people, we are bribing pastors. But imimi makangonyarara. Bombero romutemo izvozvo ndaakusvikowa renyika yese as a whole, but my soldiers, you are just singing as if you are singing a match. What are you doing? Why are you not protecting the people of Zimbabwe? Why are you protecting one person instead to protect millions of people of Zimbabwe? So we are saying, guys, let's organize a stay away. Let's go organize a demonstration against Zvigananda. We are not under control. We don't want to be controlled by Zvigananda. We don't want to be controlled by criminals. Criminals are few, but Zimbabweans are 30 million. So let's all come out and demonstrate against the criminals. Thank you very much.
Akukapheli inyanga ezimbili uhulumende wavimba ukuthengiswa kwelithium eluhlaza. Uhulumende ofanayo njalo usevulile ukuba ithengiswe le ilithium eluhlaza. Uhulumende uthi usefake imigomo enzima le egoqela ukuba kube lendawo lapho kuza kuhluzwa khona ilithium elizweni phambi kokuba ikhishwe. Abachothozayo bathi ilizwe laseZimbabwe kalitholi lutho kuzembiwa zaselithium, lokhu abathi kuthathwa izizalwane zaseChina. Inhlanganiso ye-ZBC kubikwa iqoqe imali engange-13 million edoleni leMelika kumachenge amarediyo. Isiphathamandla kubandla eliphikisayo uStephen Sarkozy Chuma uthi ayikho into engaveza ukuba kungani imali engaka ithathelwe labo ababhadala imithelo njengoba lolu gatsha lungekho okungcono elikunikeza abantu kumabonakude. Ake sizweni uChuma ekhuluma.
Yes, we understand that the Zimbabwe Broadcasting Corporation, ZBC, has now received in excess of 13 million United States dollars. That is through radio licenses. And our expectation is that ZBC, being a national broadcaster, must now cease to be a ZANU-PF mouthpiece of propaganda. ZBC must now pursue a national development agenda where all citizens are covered without looking at their background, without looking at their party affiliation, But it's very unfortunate that ZBC act as if it is ZANU-PF Broadcasting Corporation, because when you look at their editorial policy, you see that they speak no evil and see no evil about ZANU-PF, and speak all evil about the opposition. This is not what is expected of a national broadcaster. We cannot have a national broadcaster which covers almost 90% of its news, one political party, and Emmerson Mnangagwa and his family. Yet it is funded by the ordinary citizens of Zimbabwe. So our expectation is that they must improve on their content production. Then they must also improve in terms of being impartial. This is what we expect from them.
Inhlanganiso yeZIFA isikuvumile ukuba iqembu lenguqu labobaba elama-Warriors liza kuphatheka emdlalweni walonyaka owe-Unity Cup, lo okhangelelwe ukuba udlalwe eLondon kunyanga ezayo kwele-United Kingdom. Le imidlalo iza kusukela mhla zingama-26 kusiya kuma-30 kunyanga ezayo eVali. Le imidlalo iza kugoqela amazwe athi iZimbabwe, Nigeria, iJamaica kanye le-India. iZimbabwe yona iza kudlala le-Nigeria kuma-semi-final bese bebhekana lalabo abaza kunqoba phakathi kweJamaica le-India. Kwimidlalo ye-UEFA Europa League quarter-finals edlalwe izolo kusihlwa, i-Aston Villa inqobe iBologa 3-1, Porto 1, Nottingham Forest 1, Freiburg 3, Celta Vigo 0, Braga 1, Real Betis 1. Ukuziphetha lezi indaba kumsakazo we-Citizens Movement Radio, nanze bethamba phambili. uChibaya uthi abantu kabamanyane balisane lebandla leZANU-PF. uMahiya uhlabelela ukudla kwakhe kusho uDube Sibanda. uHlatshwayo ukhala ngokuswelakala kwamagagasi okuxhumana kanye lebulenjini emaphandleni asemngceleni yelizwe. Siziphetha lapha lezi indaba.